Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video courtesy of SweetNight.com. Check them out. My affiliate link will be down below, along with 15% off discount code. You can apply that at checkout. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item, what I'm going to show you. This is brand new, like I said, courtesy of SweetNight. And you guys could get 15% off of this item and any other items they have on their website. And this is something cool, guys. Especially if you're a trucker or a driver or, you know, like to take naps or whatnot. This is the mobile warming blanket. Brand new. President's Day sale going on now. USB safe heating, wearable. Kind of like a vest, you know. And use anywhere, any place, anytime. Mobile warming blanket, USB, and there's their social feeds you can find on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, however you want to say it. We got SweetNight all over this place, and this comes with a nice little travel bag. I already took it out just to try this thing out, and the thing is amazing. So you get a nice size with the strings. Like a satchel bag, travel tote bag, whatever you want to call it. Got the manual right here. And it will tell pretty much what I just said. Do not wash it. You could just hand wash, submerge in a blanket in a large sink or a bathtub with cold water and mild detergent. Switch around 2 minutes. Let the blanket soak for 15 minutes. Squeeze soapy water out. Do not forcefully wiring out water. Hey? Oh, because of the wires from the USB connector thingy. The best way to dry is to air dry on a clothesline. Okay. Versatile warming blanket. So you can wear like a cape or just like a normal blanket. Connect the USB Type-C power. So like that. I'll show you guys how it looks. And I think we got everything in here. Keep away from pets. Never iron or steam the blanket. Do not cut, tamper with, or expose inner wires. That's right by the USB area. So be careful. There we go. Alright, now it's time to show you the main subject of this video. I'm not sure how I have it folded. We'll figure it out. But yeah, it's something new. I like it. Really comfy though. Super soft. Don't judge me on my folding skills. It's kind of hard right now to do everything. Here we go. We got their SweetNight logo right here. SweetNight. There's the USB. See, it's off right now. You just gotta push it in once you put the USB, and the wires are like right here, so right around here. Be careful, you know. But this thing is pretty good size. They got some deep pockets. You just shove your keys in, your phone, an extra power bank battery pack, whatever you want to call those things. A zipper. There we go, see? Voila. Like I said, perfect maybe for ice fishing or whatnot. There's a buttons you gotta, you know, for wearing it. There's little buttons there. Here's this to clamp. Another zipper to put your arms through. I'll show you this unfolded. But definitely check them out, guys. See what other goodies they have to offer also. You know, they got a lot of mattresses, I think pillows, pillowcases, whatnot. So take a few minutes, browse around. Like I said, they have the President's sale going on all weekend right now. And also you get my 15% off discount code. So you guys get a little bonus. All you gotta do is click on it, check it out. I'll show you the USB part, how it works in a second. But yeah, definitely. I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Really nice See our zippers. You can put your arms through and wear it. Just gotta figure it out for myself how to do that part. I'll show you right about now. And now we're gonna turn this thing on. I think I showed you. I hope I showed you it. Not sure if the camera cut out, but there we go. Alright guys, here it is, a SweetNight mobile warming blanket. I am going to show you how to dress up. Kind of looks like a vest, which is really cool. And like here's a zip. You're going to put your arms through it. I need a little bigger size, so see the zipper, you can make it whatever your arm length is. But really comfortable, guys. You'll be very happy with this purchase. See, here's the other one. And then, like I said, this is the back of your back. And we'll show you in a second what it looks like. Alright guys, here we go. See, it looks like a little jacket. You got my arms right through that zippers. Right here. You can zip it back up. I can reach it. Here. And zip it all the way up or down. I'll keep it like that. You can wear it like this. And then have the buttons connect like that. And you can wear it like this. Indoor, outdoor. You can see the back. Oh yeah. Nice and warm. So it's really easy to dress. And boom, boom, and boom. So I mean, definitely check them out. Like I said, SweetNight mobile warming blanket. Get them now. Be safe. Ooh. There we go. See? I need to shave. You can wear it like this. Here's a button right here. Can't find a hole. There it is. Here the snap. Kind of like this. It warms up fast, so let's see. Really comfy. Let me switch you guys. There we go. Nice and plugged in. And I'm telling you guys, this is something cool. Something that'll keep you warm. We still got enough winter left to use it. And like I said, even on cold summer nights, you know, head out to the beach, pop this thing in, use it for your boat. You can use it indoor, outdoor. Yeah, here, golden. I think it's one size fits all. And I'm kind of a larger person, so fits me perfect, nice and comfy. But yeah, definitely happy with this thing. Now here's a little better view of the USB action. I think I showed you, but that's where you plug it in. And like I said, you could take a power bank with you, or just run it USB to your phone adapter or your USB ports that you have plugged in on your computer, by your computer, your bed, wherever you have these things. But something new, check them out. SweetNight. My discount code will be in the description, and I'm gonna run it across the video too. So it'll be the I think it's like Michael 15% off. Not sure right at the moment, but it's somewhere around there. But definitely copy and paste it to your clipboard, and then when you check out, paste it into the promo code feature I think they have. So definitely check them out. Like I said, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this mobile warming blanket, USB style. And they might have different things you might like, especially a new mattress. You never know. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. No mail tomorrow because of the President's Day. So enjoy your extra day off. Get some rest. Do some shopping. Get some deals. Check these guys out. See ya.